Hey everyone, friends, you're on the WellR channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to download the student version of SolidWorks for free. Yep, it's completely free. Open up any browser and type in SolidWorks for Students. Head over to the official SolidWorks site. Make sure you visit the official site. Alright, then click the Start for Free button there. It's all official, so there are no issues. Okay. Click Start for Free, create a SolidWorks account, and once logged in from the 1st of July, you can download the program before the school year kicks off. Right. From the 1st of July, you can also buy it before the school year starts. That's all for now. WellR was with you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Goodbye, everyone.